Hello, my name is Yvette Vasquez, and today I'm going to be talking about acids, bases, and buffers. Acids. Electrotypes that dissociate to release hydrogen ions in water. Acids have a pH level below 7. This indicates a great concentration of hydrogen. Some examples of acids are stomach acid, lemon, grapes, tomatoes, bananas, and milk. Acids taste sour, react with some metal to give off hydrogen gas, and conduct electricity in solution. Bases. Substances that release ions that can combine with hydrogen ions. Bases have a pH level of 7 or greater. This indicates a greater concentration of OH or hydroxide. Some examples of bases are eggs, baking soda, soap, pneumonia, bleach, or oven cleaner. Bases taste bitter, feel slippery, and dissolve fats and oils. Some differences between acids and bases are acids. The strength of an acid is based on concentration of hydrogen ions, and the strength of a base is based on concentration of hydroxyl ions. Acids are corrosive in nature, and bases are slippery in nature. Lastly, buffers. Buffers are chemical systems which act to resist pH changes. Bind and release to H+, which is hydrogen ions, to regulate pH levels. Buffers resist changes in pH when a small amount of acid base is added to it. And that is all.